Hey there, adventurers! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of business and procurement. Today we have something special in store for you. Get ready to embark on an incredible journey of procurement success. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Forget the dull and mundane, because we're about to show you how procurement can be an exhilarating adventure. Trust me, you're already on your way to success. In this video, we're breaking down the procurement process into 20 simple, easy-to-follow steps that will leave you feeling inspired and ready to embrace new methods and technologies. So grab your notepads and get ready to transform your business. Step 1. Planning your procurement adventure. Yes, planning is crucial. When you take the time to plan, you'll meet enterprise-level requirements more effectively. Analyze historical data, demand projections, and market trends to develop a solid procurement plan. Oh, and don't forget about sustainable procurement practices and software to improve efficiency. The more you plan, the smoother your procurement adventure will be. Step 2. Crafting the perfect purchase requisition. Approvals and authorizations are the backbone of procurement activities. Establish clear communication channels and involve the right stakeholders to ensure that your procurement process runs smoothly and efficiently. Trust me, teamwork makes the dream work. Step 3. The quest for the ideal supplier. It's time to find your perfect supplier. Remember the 5 rights: the right quality, quantity, price, time, and place. Assess reputation, capability, response time, and ethics to ensure you partner with the best suppliers out there. And hey, don't forget to evaluate their sustainability quotient too. Stay ahead of the curve and enhance your brand reputation. Step 4. Floating your RFQ, the art of inviting quotes. Request for quotations, RFQ, can be your golden ticket to finding the best price for your procurement needs. Be clear in your specifications, delivery terms, and payment conditions. A concise and complete RFQ will attract the right suppliers and set the stage for a successful procurement process. Step 5. Appraising quotes, a comparative journey. Appraising those quotes might seem like a daunting task, but it's essential for making informed procurement decisions. Consider cost, freight charges, and delivery terms, and use a comparative assessment to weigh your options. It's all about finding that perfect balance between quality and cost. You've got this. Step 6. Negotiating and signing. Sealing the deal. Negotiation time. This step is all about risk mitigation. Establish a mutually agreed contract with your chosen supplier to solidify your partnership. Contracts are your key to success, clearly outlining expectations and responsibilities for both parties. Seal the deal and set sail towards procurement victory. Step 7. Releasing the purchase order. Purchase orders confirm your supplier selection and set the wheels in motion for your procurement process. It's all about streamlining communication, preventing misunderstandings, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. With a purchase order, you're giving the green light to procurement success. Step 8. Material receipt and quality check. Ensuring perfection. Time to inspect those delivered materials, my friends. You want to make sure you receive what you ordered, right? Inspection authorities play a crucial role in verifying product quality and creating a goods receipt note. Implementing a thorough inspection process is key to achieving procurement perfection. Let's dot those I's and cross those T's. Step 9. Invoice approval and payment, the final countdown. The 3-way matching process involves supplier invoices, packing lists, and purchase orders. Identifying and addressing discrepancies before approving invoices and releasing payments is essential for maintaining procurement integrity. Stay vigilant and ensure the financial success of your procurement process. You're almost there. Step 10. Record maintenance, preparing for the future. Keep those records, my friends. Good record keeping is vital for audit, compliance, and future reference. It helps resolve disputes and streamline reordering processes. Stay organized and set yourself up for long-term success in the procurement world. You've got this. Now, let's talk about setting SMART goals for procurement success. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals are your secret weapon. They lead to better decision-making, improved efficiency, and increased savings. So, set your sights on success and make those goals smart. And that's not all. We have even more incredible steps waiting for you on this procurement adventure. We'll explore the power of vendor relationship management, implementing a risk management strategy, the role of sustainability and corporate social responsibility, and embracing digital transformation and procurement technologies. We'll also delve into supplier performance evaluation, strategic sourcing, procurement KPIs and metrics, developing cross-functional collaboration, and preparing for future procurement challenges. So many amazing things to discover. By following this 20-step guide, you'll be well on your way to harnessing procurement's full potential and transforming your business. It's an adventure filled with opportunities and success. So gear up, my friends, and get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. As you implement these best practices and stay ahead of emerging trends, you'll see the positive impact on your organization's bottom line, reputation, and sustainability. You're the captain of this procurement ship, and with enthusiasm, optimism, and dedication, you'll navigate any challenge that comes your way. Remember, the procurement landscape is ever evolving, and being proactive is the key to success. Embrace change, embrace new methods and technologies. You've got this. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. And as always, stay optimistic, stay adventurous, and keep reaching for the stars.